Hello everyone, today I will show you how to edit an image in a PDF file using PDF element. This is my PDF file and now I will edit this image. First select edit option and select here edit image. Also you can select all image, already selected edit image. Now you can click here edit image and click on this image and select and click right button and select properties option and this image alignment option. First I will center this image in this page and move, and you can rotate this image here. See this, you can flip horizontal, this is vertical flip. Also you can crop this image if you want, and see this. Also you can change image transparency and this image size you can see 5 and this is 4, and see this. Also you can increase this image size this way and move and rotate image customly here if you want. Also you can align this image and so on, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.